Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I have been crazy, busy sewing like a maniac for the past 2 days. I've been working on dresses for Project Dress-A-Girl, which I'm going to tell you all about in detail on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. But there's one of the dresses that I've gotten done. I have another dress that I got done. And I got to tell you, I am no stranger to these little dresses for little girls. And I'll show you. This was $19.99, and I stayed up all night to make these dresses for the girls. Same dress, different fabrics and colorways. My sister and I stayed up all night making those. I made those from the time the girls were like, I don't know, probably 2 until the youngest was about 10. So a lot of little dresses, but they're so quick. It's such a basic design. I used, for the 2 that I've made so far, I used Simplicity 1211. And this is from 2015. So I don't know if it's still in the books, but it's such a basic design. So, you know, bodice, skirt, keyhole neckline, tie, so that you can get in and out of it. And that's it, really. So easy. I also am going to be making some more, and that's what all this is about. So as soon as I get finished with you guys, I'm going to be cutting out more dresses. And I'm hoping to make larger size dresses, because this is all about giving a pretty dress to a little girl that might never get one. But some of these little girls are older, and so they're bigger. And so, yeah, kind of running the gamut from all the sizes. So yeah, Moddie from Moddie Sews has a video right here, and it is going to tell you all kinds of details about Project Dress-A-Girl. It's happening here on YouTube and over on Instagram. So check her video out for all the details. She is an incredible ambassador. Her goal was 100 dresses, and she's already surpassed that. And, you know, it's a wonderful way to get involved, especially if you're a beginner sewer and you just want an easy project, because there are so many free patterns where, you know, they're so simple to do and quick. And so, yeah, I'll tell you more about that on Sunday. Okay, what have I been doing other than that? Not a whole lot. I revamped some masks when I was up north at my mom and dad's. I did a little bit of surgery on a Vogue dress on the plane. So anyway, yeah, still got that to do. And I've got such a pile of, you know, altering and little piddly things that need to be done to other things. It's like a mending pile, but it's not really mending. Half the time it's altering, because, you know, I don't like that because it doesn't have pockets. I can put pockets in that. It's a blessing and a curse to be able to sew a lot of the time, because, you know, you're thinking, well, I can fix that. But then you're also thinking, I don't want to take time to fix that. If I didn't sew, I'd just give it away, or, you know, so blessing and a curse. Okay. Let me tell you about this thing that I got that some people sent to me. Oh, and hang on to the end, because I've got something I got recently that I think is kind of cool. Well, this is a Mimmo Caddie, and it is manufactured by a company called Mollie Ollie. These people reached out to me and said, hey, we would like to send you this. We would love for you to talk about it on your channel. And I said, I kind of let the email sit, because I hate it when companies do that. I just don't like it. It's a lot of expectations for something that you're doing for them for free, and I don't like that. So I generally just say no. But I checked out the product, and then I checked out their website, and I said to myself, you know, you are a sucker for organizing things. You might really like that. So I wrote them back and I said, yeah, I'll talk about that. So they sent me one. This is the Mimmo Caddie, like I said. It is an organizing thing. Okay, let me stop here and tell you that I could watch organizing videos for days, for years, for, you know, lots of amounts of time. I just am a sucker for organizing things. I love organizing containers. I like to have things contained. Well, yeah, so I was a sucker for this. All manner of uses you could use this for. I've got some patterns stuck in here, but that was just to stick something in there to show you. And I've got my pencil case, which I think is hilarious because, watch, I found this on clearance at Walmart, like after school stuff. This is what I love. I did this, and it made me laugh so much. It's a monster with teeth. I just think that's hilarious. Okay, well, this has pockets all around. This is the end. It's got 3 pockets on the side, and same on the other side. The end here is a zipper pocket, which I like this, that it zips from both ends. I like it when stuff does that. Inside, there's one of those elastic things that is made to hold, you know, any number of things, like crochet hooks or scissors or whatever you need, pens. And then it's got another pocket here. It's got Velcro, so there's another little pocket there. This is made out of felt, really heavy-duty felt. It's that thick, like 1/4 of an inch thick. And it comes with, and the inside is polyester lining, but it comes with these dividers, which you don't have to use. I mean, like, okay, this is going to make a lot of noise, but they Velcro in. So this one, just undo it from there and here, and now you just have 2 spaces. Or you can take that middle divider out like that, and you have no dividers. You have a big open space. So this is just, the handles are pretty sturdy. It's stitched well. It's made well. And the thing I like about it being made from felt, which might at first sound like it's flimsy, but it's not flimsy, but it's also really light, which means, of course, you can load it up with a lot of stuff and still be able to pick it up. So I can think of a million uses for this. Like I say, I like to contain things. I like to contain things in my car, in the sewing room. If you're a crafter and you have like knitting needles and yarn and crochet hooks and any number of things like that, cross stitch, all those little hand things that you do, this is great for that. Contains it all. Gosh, what else? One of the ways that it's advertised on Amazon is as a diaper bag. So if you have young babies, kids, or if you have toys for your grandkids that you just want to keep contained, this is a great way to do it. If you have like coloring books and crayons, this is a great way to do it. It's nice because it's portable. You know, you can pick it up and take it places. And I just really like it. So they sent me a discount code, so I put that in the description box. Check that out. I'm also going to link you to both Mollie Ollie's website and also Amazon. Give them a look. This is kind of a cool thing. Comes in gray and yeah, try it. Okay, now for my surprise. This was a cool thing that I found when I was up at my mom and dad's. I was redoing some masks that I had made for them back when COVID first started up. And I had done them with this bias tape instead of elastic. It would go around your ear. And so I was revamping those. And I was at Walmart doing something. I can't remember. I was in the sewing aisle. And I saw this. And I thought, that is so cool. So I bought it. It's a seam ripper. Of course it's a seam ripper. I'm the seam ripper queen. But here's the cool thing about it. It's got a magnifying glass and it lights up. Watch. Cool, huh? I'll tell you what, I wear reading glasses, even with my contacts because I'm blind. And the thing I've noticed as I've grown older is that it's really not about being able to see something big. It's about having enough light. And so a lighted seam ripper, I really like that. Now this magnifying glass got awkward for me. I mean, it was nice to have it, but it just seemed kind of awkward, but it comes right off. It'll just clip on and then come right off. So I think that's a matter of just, you know, getting used to it. But isn't that a cool little thing? Found it at Walmart. I think you can probably get it on Amazon. I don't know if it's comparably priced, but you can get it there. So that is all of the sewing stuff. On the life front, my husband has COVID. Yes, he does. Well, he's been vaccinated, so he has very mild symptoms, more like just a head cold with a bit of a low-grade fever. He's coming up on about 6 days of having tested positive. So, yeah, I don't know. He got some kind of a treatment, an antibody shot like 4 shots, 1 in each arm and a couple in his stomach. And it made a huge difference. So I'm thankful that his symptoms are mild and that I don't have any symptoms and I did not test positive. And yeah, boy, this disease is just so unpredictable, one person to the next. It's just crazy. So yeah, that's been fun having him around. I mean, you know, I get to the point where I think, could you just go to work? He's making me a little bit crazy, but also not crazy because I can take a walk with him in the evening. And, you know, I do love him. So anyway, so that's it for Friday Sews. If you would like to see a playlist of all of my Friday Sews, have a look right here. Always check out the other Friday Sewers by doing a search in the YouTube search bar. And I will talk to you in the comments. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time.